Thank you so much, Honorable Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa and Senator Jinggoy Ejercito Estrada, sir, to this August body regarding po doon sa nangyayaring payout ng AX program ng DSWD doon sa municipality ng Asuncion, Davao del Norte noong October 28. Ito po ay nakarating sa akin na ang mga beneficiary doon ay hindi taga-munisipyo ng Asuncion. Ito po ay mga tao galing sa munisipyo ng Kapalong at dinala doon sa gym ng Asuncion. Then pinadlock nila yung gym, yung harapan, parang pinalabas nila na walang tao doon sa loob. Doon lahat pumasok, dumaan sa parang may maliit na entrance exit doon, sikreto. Walang mga sasakyan naka-parking. I-clear ko lang po ito, Mr. Chair. Walang mga sasakyan naka-parking. Doon sa malayo naka-park yung mga sasakyan. Pagkatapos, yung Chief of Police ng Asuncion ay nakita nila bakit may payout dito na wala namang clearance. So, ngayon, nagkabulabuga na, Mr. Chair. So, tumawag na ako kay Mayor Maria Teresa Timbol. Nandito rin siya, kasama ko ngayon. So sabi niya, hinakot yung mga tao dito sa Kapalong, sa munisipyo ko, hinakot, dinala doon sa Asuncion. So, tumawag ako kay PD, nandoon na ang pulis, nag-action na pala sila dahil parang may malicious talaga sa payout. So, nung nandoon na, Mr. Chair, nagpadala rin ako ng abogado, nandito rin kasama ko yung mga abogado na pinadala ko. Nandoon yung tauhan ng taga DSWD. Ayaw pa magbigay ng ID. Niyakap yung bag nila, nandyan yung pera, yung mga document. Ayaw nila ibigay yung kanilang identity.
When you say identity ng
DSWD. Yes po.
Sigurado ka, DSWD.
Yes po, DSWD.
Dalawang personality doon. May
Yes.
DSWD ng national, merong SWD ng
Yes po.
lokal, ng
Ang
munisipyo.
lokal.
So, categorically, you are saying
Yes.
that it is DSWD national.
DSWD, Region 11.
Bakit ayaw nila ibigay ang pangalan nila?
Ayaw bigay. Tapos, Mr. Chair, dumating pa si Attorney Vanessa Gokong, ang ating Regional Director ng DSWD. May video po ako, Mr. Chair. Nandoon siya, nirescue niya yung mga tauhan niya. Nirescue niya.
Why? Are they under attack? Were they under attack?
Takot siya na ma-inquest, Mr. Chair. Dinala niya, pinalabas. Nandito naman si Kwan. May video po ako. Nandito din yung attorney ko. May blatter rin ang ating provincial director dito. Sabi pa niya, bakit daw pinatagalan pa na ipalabas yung Kwan niya, yung mga tauhan niya, Mr. Chair. So, doon pa man, Mr. Chair, masabi ko na illegal po yung distribution kasi kung legal yon, pinagpatuloy sana yung pag-distribute sa pera. Yung nangyaring distribution, Mr. Chair, to be clear, ako ang gobernador ng Davao del Norte, nandito po ang mayor ng Kapalong, beneficiary niya doon, constituents niya, wala pong nangyaring sunog, walang nangyaring baha. In short, walang nangyaring calamity. At yung mga pinatawag, Mr. Chair, hindi po validated na dumaan sa process.
Okay.
So, sigurado po.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Yes,
Mr.
sir.
Chair, if I may, hindi ba kinordinate sa inyo ng
Hindi
DSWD?
po kinordinate, Mr. Senator Jinggoy.
Sa mayor ng Carmen, tsaka sa mayor ng, ng Asuncion, no? Mayor ng Asuncion, tsaka mayor ng,
Kapalong po.
hindi ba kinordinate sa kanila? Magkakaroon ng distribution.
Nung nag-file na ako ng blatter doon sa Chief of Police.
No, tinatanong ko, nasan ba yung mayor ng Kapalong, tsaka mayor
nandito
ng
po.
Asuncion?
Mayor, pwede po bang magsalita po siya?
Under oath?
Mayor, nakapag-out ka na?
Nakapag-oath ka na, mayor?
Kanina po, sir.
Okay, thank you. Go ahead. You have the
Mayor
floor.
ka ng
Answer the
Asuncion?
question of Senator Jinggoy.
You're the mayor of Asuncion?
Kapalong, Your
Kapalong.
Honor.
Where's the mayor of Asuncion?
Wala po dito, Mr.
Oh,
Chair.
sabi mo nandyan. Sabi mo
Paano lang
nandyan
po
kanina.
dito?
Alright.
Yes,
They
sir.
did not, the DSWD did not coordinate with you, with
There
your
was no
office.
coordination, Your Honor. In fact, our
Alright, how did you
MSWD,
know that your constituents went to the gym in Asuncion?
somebody texted me
Was it confirmed?
because it was already, the information was that there were padlock inside the municipal gym of Asuncion and they could not go out.
Did you go there?
Yes, sir. To
Oh.
verify.
Did you see your constituents there?
Yes, sir. In fact, I was not able to enter immediately because the doors were locked. I have informed the police
What was the
inside.
reason why they padlocked the doors?
I don't know, sir, because when I went there, the gym was already padlocked. And my constituents could not go out.
Didn't you introduce yourself that you're the mayor of Kapalong? Kapalong.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
I asked my bodyguard, inform somebody inside that the mayor of Kapalong is outside. I wanted to go inside the gym.
oh, what happened?
And when I went inside,
Pinapasok din kayo eventually?
yes po.
All right.
So yun po, nakita ko yung mga taga-Kapalong po nandoon.
Oh, what was their situation?
Some of them, I asked them, some of them arrived there in the morning, some at 1 in the afternoon.
Hindi,
Yes.
sino ang nag-recruit sa kanila papunta ron sa gym?
We're informed that the leaders of the barangay officials who are running for the barangay election po. It's not our MSWDO.
So you did not choose the beneficiaries of the
No, Your Honor.
IX program?
Your Honor.
Who were the
We
ones
were-
who chose it? The barangay leaders?
Yeah, the barangay leaders.
Didn't the barangay leaders inform you about it?
No, sir.
Kalaban mo ba lahat?
No information at all.
Ha?
No naman po.
Walang nagsabi ni... Ilan ba barangay ninyo?
14 po.
So, you mean to say, lahat ng mga barangays mo represented dun sa...
Yes po, yung naglista, yung mga kalaban po ng mga barangay captains.
Yung mga kalaban mo?
Yes po.
Yung 14 barangay captains, kalaban mo lahat?
Hindi naman po. I have, during that time, I have, out of 14, I have 12 incumbent barangay officials.
Alright, did you interview your constituents
Yes,
when you
sir.
went there?
Yes, sir.
What
I
did you
asked
ask them?
Are you here? Yes, sir.
Oh, what did they say?
They said that the leader of that barangay official listed them
Alright.
and their barangay to go to the municipality of Asuncion.
You do not have any gym there in your
We have
town?
lots, sir. Plenty of gym.
Oh.
All the
Bakit hindi doon
barangays.
nag-payout? Bakit sa Asuncion pa? Sa Asuncion pa?
I think yung mga nag-organize, they can answer your question po.
Sino ba nag-organize? DSWD? Okay, I will go to that matter. All right. When you interviewed your constituents, halos lahat yan tiga Kapalong.
Yes, sir.
Lahat yan walang tiga ibang bayan. Oh, Kapalong lang.
I guess so, sir. Lahat ng
Alright.
taga-Kapalong.
Magkano rin tinanggap nila? What did you ask them?
Sabi nila, there were almost 100 that were paid out already
All right.
with the amount of 2,000 pesos.
Magkano supposedly si Yusek yung payout? Magkano dapat tatanggapin nila?
2,000 po.
So 2,000.
Yes po, but the payout was made on October 28. That was 2 days away from the barangay election po.
Okay. So lahat yung ilan sila nung nakita niya sa gym?
I guess with the rough estimate, I would say 400 to 500 persons po.
400 to 500
Yes po.
persons ang
Kasi halos puno po yung
yung
team
gym.
po ng na
So
asosyon.
nakausap niyo lahat yung 400?
Hindi po. Hindi po. Only some of them na nandiyan sa nalalapitan ko lang po.
So they confirmed to you that they received 2,000 pesos?
Yung naiwan po doon is hindi na po nakatanggap kasi yung unang tumanggap is nakaalis na po sa gym.
So sa tingin niyo, yung mga unang nakatanggap na nakalis, nakatanggap din ng 2,000.
Yes po. According to those people inside na naabutan ko po.
Senator Jinggoy, if I may. Mayor, yun nga, nakita mo, pinadlak. Tapos, nandun ka, nakita mo mga tao mo, nakita mo, nalaman mo na yung
Yes, sir.
mga nagdala nito, mga tao na ito ay mga leaders ng barangay kapitan na hindi mo kaalyado.
Yes
So,
po.
meaning, kalaban mo sa politika.
Opo. Yes, Your Honor.
Hindi ka, after that, hindi ka pumunta sa local Comelec, nag-complain that this is 2 days prior to election. This is a clear violation of the Omnibus Election Code. Hindi ka ba pumunta sa Comelec at nag-complain?
There were lawyers, sir, who also arrived doon sa
Lawyers
ng from the kay Gob Ubahib po.
tapos,
Then, in fact, there was a small group.
hindi man yun lawyer mo. Hindi yun lawyer ng Comelec. Dapat, it should be incumbent on your part na mag-complain sa Comelec. May local Comelec ba kayo doon eh. Pinuntahan mo sana at tinanong mong Comelec, is this authorized by Comelec? Is this a payout legal? Is this payout not violative to the Omnibus Election Code? Dapat mayroong klarong sagot galing sa Comelec 2 days prior to election. Hindi mo ginawa yan.
Hindi na po. Basta, yeah. Is the government.
Pero ikaw na
Yeah, Governor
nagtanong kayo sa
Ubahib
Comelec,
po.
sa local Comelec doon?
Yes, Your Honor, nag-file po agad ako sa Provincial Comelec Chairperson at kaya nga I formally filed ito sa office po ng ating National Chairman, Comelec Chairman, dahil po yung Provincial Comelec Chairperson ay nagsabi sa akin na hindi po nila pinayagan kasi yung mga distribution ng AX. Kahit nga ayuda galing sa probinsya, Your Honor, ay prohibited po kami na mamigay.
Bakit nangyari yun? Kung ayaw, sabi ng Comelec hindi pwede.
Ang sabi nga ng DSWD, may exemption daw sila, pinakita pa doon sa PNP ng Davao del Norte. At sa katunayan po, may video tayo na nandoon yung mga Comelec officer galing sa kung payagan nyo po, i-show ko po yung video. Dumating po si Regional Director Attorney Vanessa Gukong, nandoon po ang tauhan ni Vice Governor Oyuoy na si Peer at si Mr. Caminero na nag-facilitate doon sa payout.
Well,